You looking for something that is going to hydrate your face, something that is going to reduce the fine lines, the appearance of fine lines on your face. You want to be hydrated all around. You want the appearance of youthfulness skin. Oh, honey, we just out here doing a win-win like 10-10. Now, the next time you gorgeous folks happen to run inside of the Dollar Tree, who am I kidding? Run inside. Honey, you may want to be on the lookout for this here Hydrate and Double Serum. Now, once you apply the movie Groovy, the squalene and niacinamide double serum to your face, have squalene, which is excellent for the skin. Now, I'm just going to apply some. I just got out the shower not too long ago, and I'm going to apply some to the face. It doesn't really have a scent to it. No scent hardly. No fragrances in here. Now, what this is supposed to do? Oh, it says mix well. I mean, shake immediately before use. Uh-oh. Oh, you see that entity? Oh. Now, let me tell you some of the benefits that it has in here. Now, squalene hydrates, softens, and reduces the appearance of fine lines for smooth-looking skin. Oh, yes. Honey, we're here for that. Niacinamide retains skin's natural moisture, helps brighten and smooth the appearance of skin texture. Honey, I'm just a flowy, a glowy, like jelly. Like chicken dinner. Dollar Tree. I see where you went with this, but you're gonna have to stop playing with me. So, remember Dr. Sebi would talk about Batana oil. Now, if you don't know who Dr. Sebi was, Dr. Sebi would talk about the pH level that the body's supposed to have. Now, this product, Dollar Tree, is now carrying. I love the scent of it. It is a frizz contained spray. So it's supposed to help with the frizz. It is a styled and whole, style in a mess. And when I tell you, honey, it has active ingredients in here like agave. Also, the one ingredient that Dr. Sebi talked about for the hair is Batana oil. It has in here. Now, this was $1.25. This is from Amber Glow. Glowy, glowy, flowy, Joey. $1.25. Highly recommend. I mean, come on. If you're looking for something that is sudsy, grubby, is definitely going to be this. I mean, it suds up really well. The applicator to apply it to your hair is very easy there. Also, it has like a very faintish scent. Like the scent isn't anything crazy. I'm excited to see if this is going to have my curls popping or stopping. Let's go. Ladies and gents. Honey, I am so impressed with this. Oh, honey, if you want the curls popping and ain't stopping, oh, you better go ahead and clock it, girls. Honey, do you see my hair? This is just from adding this, okay? Honey, the girls. Honey, it is the name brand finds at the tree for me. Honey, Dollar Tree has the L'Oreal. Now, this is the Vibe Dream Length Curls, No Build Up Curls, Marcella. All right, shampoo, sulfate free, hyaluronic acid with castor oil, coming in at the tree for $1.25. Honey, you feel me? You know you rocking with the best. I was gonna go ahead and, grab two of these. So yesterday we went to Dollar Tree and we seen the L'Oreal Avive. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am excited to try this. So this is Dream Length Curls. No build up curls, micellar shampoo, sulfate free. You know what I'm really excited about in this is the fact that it has castor oil. Now, castor oil is great for eyelashes, any type of hair growth, they say. You know, castor oil is mainly good for. And it has hyaluronic acid and gently cleanses hair and scalp, hydrate curls, curly to coily hair. Now, honey, come on, L'Oreal. You know, I'm excited about this. So we gonna get this a go like Joe. All right, so off rip, what I like about this is the applicator, okay? The way to apply it, how they have this nozzle right here, really convenient, love that. This scent is sort of a mild scent. It doesn't have like a strong, crazy scent to it. That's another plus for me. And it suds up really, really, I mean, just look at this, okay? Honey, who is she? She is I and I is a me. Honey, I gotta give you the tea. Now, I will say, oh, child. Now, my curls, they do appear to be more defined, okay, like the bottles say. Ooh, honey, I got heavy-handed. It felt like eternity washing that stuff out of my hair. So remember, if you girls go ahead and purchase this, you only want to use a small amount. A little goes a long way. So what do I say about this? I say, hey, honey, you gotta give it a go like a Joe. When I tell you it is name brand finds for me at the tree, it is the beauty finds at me, it is the newbies at Dollar Tree for me, all these amazing finds at the tree. 1, 2, 3. Honey, you better head on down to your tree. Check these items out. So when I tell you Dollar Tree is coming for someone, honey, I just don't know who. It is given name brand fine. Now, this is a hairstyling wax. They have, it's called Mandatory. Now, they have Azure. They also have Noor and then Arum. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now, this is a matte effect mega hold styling gel. Well, styling wax. Honey, Dollar Tree is coming up with all types of things. Honey, good. All right, my loves. Honey, excuse the background. Okay, my kids, they come in here and sleep in my room, bring their beds. But listen, I did purchase the Noor one. I tried it out yesterday. In my opinion, it is okay. I really don't care for waxes like that in my hair anyway. If I'm doing braids, it's okay. But I really don't care about putting waxes like around, you know, on my edges because to me, I don't think that is really healthy for my hair, but for $1.25, I mean, it's okay in my opinion. Would I buy this again if I seen it at the tree? Probably not. Now listen, remember how Dr. Sebi used to talk about this one item, all right, back in Honduras. Now, if you guys don't know who Dr. Sebi is, Dr. Sebi was the doctor who talked about pH levels in the body, all right? Now, this entertainment purposes only. Now, Dollar Tree has something that Dr. Sebi used to talk about, and it was something that make your hair flowy, flowy, glowy, glowy, growy, growy, okay? You got that? Now, it says it has it in here, honey. Now, this is Amber Glow. This is a hair mist. It has Batana, honey. That's what it was. Batana oil, and it also have infused with agave. Now, this is $1.25 at the tree. This is supposedly frizz control, shine and flexible hold, ultra lightweight. Now, Dollar Tree, honey, you know they just put these out on. Now, Dollar Tree just put these out. Honey, you better definitely move your feet to the darn beat out here. This product, Dollar Tree is now carrying. I love the scent of it. It is a frizz contained spray. So it's supposed to help with the frizz. It is a styled and whole styling mist. And when I tell you, honey, it has active ingredients in here like agave. Also, the one ingredient that Dr. Sebi talked about for the hair is Batana oil. It has in here. Now, this was $1.25. This is from Amber Glow. Glowy, glowy, flowy, Joey. Now, I just want to know if I could deliver an answer word to the mother and the brother. I mean, I'm talking about steal deals like Holyfield. I'm talking about moving your feet to the beat out in these streets. I'm talking about, honey, this is good like a chicken wing. All right, now check these items out at the tree. Dollar Tree, they ain't playing with you nor me. They have the hand cream, Amber Glow, Vanilla Spice, also the Apple Orchid, and also the Pony and Amber. Now, these are $1.25 at the tree. Honey, they just put these out. You gotta move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, I'm just gonna take about 2 of these. You know, the Vanilla Spice and the Apple Orchid, okay? Smells just like Apple Orchid. Okay. Come on, Dollar Tree. What you putting down? Now, when it comes to the hand creams, I am forever going to add some oils to Dollar Tree hand creams. Now, this smells amazing, but in my opinion, it needs to have some oils. I would do grapeseed oil or olive oil or avocado oil for this. Next up, we have the Vanilla Spice hand cream. Now, you really got to press hard on these, honey. Chicken dinner. Honey, when I tell you it is the Vanilla Spice hand cream for me at the tree that wants all the tea. Ooh, now I'm definitely feeling the Vanilla Spice way more than the Apple Orchid. Honey, it is the Vanilla Spice for me all day, every day. And I heard you was looking for some treats that you wanted to definitely move your feet out in the streets. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has these Bio Pure. These are bath bombs. Now, this is called Frosted Strawberry at the tree for $1.25. This is definitely given honey pot top vibes, all right, if I'm being serious. Now, if you guys are looking for a doopity dupe that smells just like something that Victoria's Secret would have, it would definitely be the Love Struck body lotion. When I tell you this is a great dupe for Victoria's Secret Love Spell, honey, Dollar Tree said Love Struck it is. All right, now this is $1.25. So I heard that you was looking for the goodies at the tree, and I heard you also wanted to move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. So Dollar Tree has these mist bottles over here. Oh, honey, they movie groovy. Not only are they $1.25, but honey, they come in several different colors. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the white, the black,
You know that's where it's at. They also have the pink, the blue, the purple, and the green. You know, green is my thing, like a darn chicken wing, huh?
You know what it is for me? It is the different color mist spray bottles at the tree that comes in all these gorgeous colors. Now, you know, green is my thing, Joe, like a chicken wing.
Now, and I heard you was looking for a cutesy. Yes, honey, I used to rock the doobie. All right, the doobie. All right. Now, Dollar Tree has these edge waxes. Now, it says it has biotin in here. Biotin is good, like for the hair, the nails, and now and I heard you wanted to be movie groovy. I also heard that you was looking for the hot treats at the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree has some hot treats that's gonna have you move your feet to the beat. Check these items out. Dollar Tree has these hand creams over here. They comes in 2 different scents. They have the orange and then they also have the lemon. All right, now these are $1.25. Honey, you better move your feet to the darn beat. Honey. So I heard you folks was looking for organizer. You have like a bunch of serums and such. Dollar Tree has this spinning organizer. Look at my little one, Amani. You know, she wanna move her feet to the beat. Now, this is $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Serums you can put in here. Your Q-tips you can put in here. Absolutely a steal deal like Holyfield. One of the things that I absolutely love about this spinner right here, that I can put my brow pencils in here. Honey, don't sleep on a Marie Claire, because when I tell you movie groovy, these brow pencils are movie groovy. Then I could also put my facial serums in here as well, like the Hydrate and Double Serum that has squalene and niacinamide in here. And if you guys want to be well organized, you can put your face serums, you can put your makeup here, and then you can also put your hairspray in here, which is a Style and Hold styling mist. And whenever you want to apply, let's say, your brow pencils, honey, you just get it to spin so you can win. All right, grab the brow pencil out and get a groovy. Now, if you want to put your face serums as well, your hydrators, another amazing item at the tree is the Hydrate and Moisturizer from Olay. Honey, I gotta just take it away. Right, listen, looky cookie, jackpot find at the tree. Check this out. Honey is giving nostalgia like no one's business. Ooh. So Dollar Tree has these mini mints over here, Best Buds with Garfield, cute and clever. They also have Star Wars, SpongeBob SquarePants, and if you guys are looking for the kitchen towels, they also have those as well. They have the Mickey. Oh, Mickey is flippy. They also have Spider-Man mitts as well. Oh my! And then they also have the Smurfs. Oh, look at Cookie, honey, they are movie groovy at the Dollar Tree. So these are the other mitts that we decided to go because it definitely go with our brown cabinets, okay? Now, honey, if you know anything about the other mitts, you just want to be mindful and take that food out 1, 2, 3. Now, the fact that these are $1.50 a piece, this is a steal deal like Holyfield, Baby Yoda. Now let us know in the comment section, what are some of the items that you absolutely liked in this Dollar Tree haul, and what are some of the items that you are on the lookout for? With that being said, make sure you give this video a go like Joe. Hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and we just out here movie groovy, moving our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Yeah.